In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find hex color code values in Adobe Photoshop. Whether you're a graphic designer, a digital artist, or someone who's simply curious about colors, this is a skill that can greatly enhance your work process and ensure color consistency across your projects. To get started, first open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you're not already familiar with this application, it's a powerful tool used for photo editing and graphic design, and it's packed with features that can help bring your creative vision to life. Once Photoshop is open, it's time to add your image. You can do this by going to File in the top menu and selecting Open. Browse through your files and choose the image you want to work with, then click Open to bring it into Photoshop. Now that you have your image loaded, let's focus on finding that elusive hex color code. Look in the toolbar, typically located on the left-hand side of your screen, for the eyedropper tool. The icon resembles an actual eyedropper or pipette, which is quite fitting given its function. Click on it to activate the tool. With the eyedropper selected, move your cursor over the image and click on the specific color you want to identify. This action will pick up the color from the image and set it as the foreground color in your Photoshop workspace. This is helpful if you want to keep consistent color themes in multi-layer projects or recreate colors across different designs. Once the color is selected, your next step is to find out the exact hex code for it. Look over to the toolbar on the right side of your screen or wherever your color palettes and swatches are set up. You'll see a color box that displays the currently selected foreground color. Click on this box to open the color picker window. Here, you'll discover multiple color values: RGB, HSB, and of course hex. You'll see the hex code listed as a combination of letters and numbers prefixed by a hashtag. This code uniquely identifies the exact color you've selected. To use this color elsewhere or share it with others, simply highlight the hex value and copy it. You can then paste this code in other applications or share it in digital communications to maintain color consistency, whether you're designing a brand palette or working on a collaborative project. If you're not entirely satisfied with the color, or if you need to make adjustments, the color picker also gives you the flexibility to tweak hues and shades to get exactly what you need. Once you're happy with your selection, you're all set. Take a moment to admire the beauty of digital design and the precision you can achieve with hex codes. And there you have it. You now know how to find and use hex color codes in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you can apply these skills in your next project.